Understanding neat and tidy, mastering everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase, neat and tidy. This phrase is often used in everyday English to describe the state of things, places, or even work. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Neat and tidy is a phrase that pairs two words with similar meanings to emphasize a particular quality. Neat refers to something that is clean, well organized, and in order. It's about precision and care in arrangement. Tidy also means clean and orderly, but it focuses more on the aspect of things being neatly arranged and easy to find. When combined, neat and tidy suggests a place or thing is exceptionally clean, organized, and well-maintained. Let's see how neat and tidy can be used in everyday conversation. Here are a few examples. 1. Please keep your desk neat and tidy. This is a common request in offices or schools, emphasizing the importance of a clean and organized workspace. 2. Her room is always neat and tidy. This sentence is often used to compliment someone on their cleanliness and organizational skills. 3. I spent the weekend getting my house neat and tidy. Here, the phrase describes the action of cleaning and organizing a space. While neat and tidy is a standard phrase, you can encounter variations or similar phrases in English. For instance, spick and span. This means very clean and neat, often used for spaces that have been recently cleaned. An apple pie order, an older phrase that also means very neat and well organized. Shipshape, originally a naval term, now used to describe anything that is in good order. And that's a wrap on neat and tidy. Remember, this phrase is great for describing spaces, work, or anything that's well organized and clean. We hope this video helps you use neat and tidy confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.